Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and sit. Oh wait, let me down. Back again. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have another special video for you guys. Today I'm gonna be reviewing a Kitty Creative $30 lucky grab bag, and I saw this on every single YouTube, and I was like, I have to do it too. And it is me. I like Squishy Status grab bag because if I wanted to choose it on my own, it will be more expensive and a little bit not expensive, too cheap, and I like it to be a surprise. So let's make it. Okay. And basically, she did ask me, Kitty Creative also asked me about what squishies I kind of like, and I can't reply that because I just like all. And okay, so I'm so excited. This package came like 1.5 or 2 hours ago because I had to do my homework, and yes, and I'm so excited. Don't judge me, please. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with this video. Okay, so I got my handy dandy scissors, and just now I feel everything what's in here, and I feel like there's a note. I'm not sure, but there's kind of like a heart piece, so I'm gonna cut it and try to open that part first. I'm so excited, and this package took me about like 12 or 10 minutes to think because I have a tuition, and it depends on me if I want to open it before tuitions or after tuition, and I was like, tuition is nice, so let's just do this now. And yeah, I'm so excited. Please don't judge me. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on with this package. Okay, I'm gonna be cutting it. I don't want to look. You guys get the first peek. Oh wait. Oh. Okay, you guys won't. Oh my gosh, I didn't see anything. I'm gonna try. Wait. Okay, it is. Oh my god. Wait, where is it? It's not here, and now it's gone. I think it's just the tag. What's over here? I don't know. It's gone. Okay, whatever. Let's get on with it. And I feel like. So cute. Okay, I'm so thankful that I didn't order this when I'm on the Motes.com. Motes for you. Because I really think that should I order this or should I not? And oh my god. Look at that. Just look. Oh my gosh, it's not focusing. Oh gosh, please. Okay. Okay, you guys can see, right? Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, it won't focus. Oh my gosh, but I really like this. This looks super realistic, and I love realistic. I didn't mention about realistic, but I mean, everything is fine with me. So, and yay! Moving on. Oh, it smells so good. And I saw something in here while I was speaking, and okay, I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. I thought everyone got this, and there's a humongous part. I mean humongous version, and oh my gosh, it smells like regular squishies, like strawberry scented, I think, but it's so cute. And this part is so soft. Whoa. Oh my god. So I know you guys will want to know the price. So basically, it is the $30, but the value of this package, but the value of the package is $55. So I'm gonna be calculating everything and put the real total in the description box down below, so you guys can see how much is it worth it or not. And yeah. Okay, the back is lighter, so Okay, I don't know what it is, but it's super jumbo, so I think I have to cut it a little bit. Okay, I cut it, and I don't know, there's a few more things. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is an album, and I can't believe I got this in there. Okay, I have the my wish list is basically this pink version, and I have it, so I really wanted this color, and I got it. Whoa, this is so unexpected and it's okay, and the packaging is a lot newer. Whoa, that's so cool. This is more lighter, like literally just me. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't expect it to be slow rising. What brand is this? I don't know, but it's brand by Nick. And it's a sushi, and I really like it. And I do tell you guys again, I mentioned about realistic foods and my reply to them. And now you see, I got a lot of realistic squishies. Moving on, I think there's not more items. There's another. Oh my gosh. This is a Yummy Luna. Whoa, this is so cute. Oh, it smells like grapes. Like, I'm not kidding. I don't know. No, it smells like mango or grapes. But this is the tag, and the tag, that color tag is so cute. Oh, God. I don't think I showed it properly. And oh, wow. That is so soft. Oh, it has a little bit of defects right here. But I think that's totally fine. Because who likes anything more than you, bear? You know that. And it's first time getting a mermaid squishy. Basically, this tag in time. So there's one squishy left here. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. The texture is like real. I expect this to be like a kanahe toast. I think that is how they pronounce it, but it's not. But this is so cute, and it's softer than I expected. Sorry. I really like this squishy. Okay, I believe that is all in this package. So if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, turn those post notifications on so you guys will get notified whenever I upload a new video, and subscribe and like this video and comment and share and okay. And I don't think there are any squishy packages more, so yeah, but will notify you. So before we end this video, once again, make sure you guys follow my Instagram, follow Confetti Bear Pop, follow Nina Mahaza, follow Confetti Bear Pop, Nina Mahaza, Potato the Switch, Nina the Potato Cat, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you guys will enjoy. And right now I'm road to 50 subscribers, so make sure you guys please help me by subscribing. Okay, bye. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next time. Goodbye.